And welcome back, dear viewers, with Up to Date. When it comes to today's episode, we got to announce, inshallah, next week we're going to have with us the guys from techbuff.com. And inshallah, in episode the 13th of this month, inshallah, we'll have them here in the studio. And as well, when it comes to us here, we do have yet another segment at the end of the episode. We're going to be talking about the top 5 usual segment that we got used to from the top latest games and upcoming games and things like that, inshallah. Now, it does take us great honor, inshallah, to be welcoming with us all the way from Egypt, Mr. Ashraf توكل is the Chief Executive Officer, and from Yaagil website. Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Ashraf. Mr. Ashraf?
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. ازيك يا فيصل? How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah,
yes?
doing absolutely great. What about you? I mean, it's absolutely wonderful seeing you here in Riyadh. But I mean, the distance all the way in Egypt, I mean, you should come here in Riyadh again.
Well, I'm working on that, so you bet you're going to see me more often.
Inshallah, by the will of Allah. And when it comes to us, first of all, if you just give us more like an explanation to our viewers about searching engines, and especially searching in Arabic, and how different is it from English, the whole complexity of it.
Well, searching in English is different, of course, than searching in Arabic. You see, the problem is searching in Arabic is a little bit complex because of the complexity of the language and because a lot of cultural considerations. Arabic language is the 4th spoken language on earth. Therefore, we thought that we have to have something that really treats that language differently. English language and Latin use Latin words and Latin letters. And these Latin letters are fairly, we can say easy, but they're fairly straightforward. When it comes to Arabic language, has a lot of processing needs to be done in order to be able to provide a proper search engine.
And of course, from saying that, we should be talking about the topic of the second part, which is Yaagil, and it's a beta edition. It's online already. If we see it here on the screen, this is Yaagil, and of course, you got the, let's say, the verticals of Yaagil. So, would you tell our viewers what is Yaagil and what's the potential of Yaagil?
Okay, Yaagil, to state it simple, Yaagil is the first Arabic-specific domain search engine in the world. And we mean with Arabic search domain or with Arabic-specific search domain is that it searches and it first indexes and searches the information in a specific domain or a category of information. That enables us to more cater for the relevance, and when I say relevance, I mean relevance of culture and relevance of results in the search. So we are able to quantify and index a specific domain of interest in Arabic, and therefore have the searches performed on that specific domain more easily and more relevant in terms of relation to the topic of search and in relation to the culture itself. Yaagil, we started with a vertical or a couple of verticals or domain-specific verticals, which is Quora, which is the first football-specific search engine in Arabic that searches the Arabic content on the web that addresses football locally, regionally, and internationally. And the other vertical that we introduced last week was the social search engine, social media search engine Ikhtar, which enables the user to search on the Arabic contribution on the different social networks of Twitter, Twitter, YouTube, and Flickr, and very soon, inshallah, Facebook.
And okay, now it was an honor for us to attend the whole release, the luncheon of the search engine in Riyadh, and of course it was synchronized with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Egypt. So we do have a report about the whole luncheon, and we'll be back. And as well, I mean, just a good thing that we do have Mr. Ashraf in the report as well. So we'll be seeing you after the report.
My name is Ashraf توكل. I'm the CEO of Taaya IT. Taaya IT works in the field of information retrieval development in Arabic language. We are launching a product name is Yaagil.com. Yaagil.com is the first vertical Arabic search engine available on the internet today. Its main mission is to avail Arabic searching using Arabic language for all Arabs across the world. Yaagil touches the internet differently. We provide vertical searches where we can search into specific domains over the internet. Our domains are searched simply. We try to provide a better user experience that enables the user to more discover new content and new concepts. Yaagil is starting with two verticals. The first one is Quora, which is a football vertical search engine that enables Arab users to look on all their favorite sites of Arabic and pick and find out the best content on them. Ikhtar is our answer for the Arabs to be able to search on social networks. Ikhtar Yaagil is considered the first unified social networking search engine in Arabic in the world. The search engine provides specific features, like it enables users to police the content that is coming back and the results. It enables them to share the results and actually to vote and like them or dislike them. Behind the scenes, we have the state-of-art Arabic language processing tools that enables us to filter properly the answers and the search results for the users. We give a lot of respect to the Arab culture, and we filter bad content from the beginning. Whatever escapes and users see offensive, they can go ahead and dislike it by themselves. We are planning to launch more verticals over the time. We hope that we successfully launch something like 8 other verticals before Ramadan, so that we can have a pleasant search experience for Arabic content for all the Arabs across the world as our gift to them in Ramadan.
So let us remind every email. Email is uptodate.ksa2@gmail.com. The official channel is youtube.com/uptodateksa2. As well, Facebook is facebook.com/uptodate.ksa2. With all your Twitter fan lovers, there's Twitter coming right up. There it is. Twitter.com/uptodateksa2. And finally, when it comes to our episode, of course, we'll be talking more and more about future episodes. Yet we should mention next week's episode when it comes to us. But now, okay, it's all sorted out. The link is up again. So going back to you, Mr. Ashraf توكل, going back to you, and we've got to carry on the whole questions with us. So we did talk about verticals and the verticals available with the Yaagil search